In this video, we will show you how to replace the battery for a 2015 through 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe. To open this key fob, all you'll need is a screwdriver. Simply insert the screwdriver in the notch on the back side of the key fob and slightly twist. Once you have the key fob open, you'll see the battery is located here. You may need to use that small screwdriver to help pop the old battery out. The battery used in this key fob is a CR2032. To replace the battery once you have the old battery out, simply slide the new battery back into place. With this key fob, it is plus side up. When you have the new battery in place, you can simply snap the back of the key fob back together, and you're done. If you found this video to be useful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and visit us online if you need to buy a new key fob.